how to change your YouTube Premium membership level. When you're logged into your YouTube account, press on your profile icon, then select Purchases and Memberships. Here you'll be able to change your membership level. Do keep in mind that, let's imagine you're on a Premium Family membership level and you want to change it to Premium Lite, which is the latest edition. If that's the case, you actually have to cancel your current membership and then restart a different level. So basically, if you're downgrading, you need to cancel your current membership. But if you're upgrading, then you'll have an option to change it to a higher level. While here I'll show you the mobile option as well. If you're using YouTube app, whether on your mobile device or even Google TV, simply find your settings. On the mobile app, it's on the top right hand corner. Press on the gear icon. Here you have Purchases and Memberships, and you'll have your premium membership details here. And if you want to change it to a higher level, you'll actually have an option to upgrade. But to downgrade, you need to cancel your current membership. Okay? I hope this video session has been helpful. The both settings that I've shown to you are basically the same thing. One is using a mobile device, and the other one is using your desktop or laptop device. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.